How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Optimistech reviews, and I'm bringing you an unboxing of the Redragon Karura. I know I butchered that. Not good with weird names like that. It's a full backlit RGB gaming keyboard. First time getting it. Like I said, we're gonna unbox this bad boy. Reach for the unboxing knife. Whip that bad boy out. I have a Corsair Devastator, but I like it. It's a good keyboard, but the thing is that I just got a brand new mouse, and it's this one. I have a video on it already on the channel, but it's RGB, as you can see. It changes colors and it doesn't match the setup anymore. So I got this one on Amazon. Let's see how this bad boy looks like. Nothing else in the box. You can see. That's it. I can hardly see that, but nothing else comes in the box. Here's the box again. Gold plated USB, big fan of that, and threaded as well, and with this Velcro cable management thing, bonus points. Let's see. Comes with a lot of padding, that's for sure. Get your booklet. And I guess we'll study that later. But we're pros, we don't need it, I guess. I open this bad boy upside down, and there she is. Oh man. It is lovely, guys. It has a textured ice coating. It's soft coating, and it just feels wicked. You guys have to really touch this coating on it. It really feels soft. It feels very high quality for 27 bucks. Honestly, it is not bad at all. The only question is, will it wear off? I really don't know. Alright guys, please excuse me recording, but I'm holding the camera with my hand, trying to do this with the other one. I definitely have to get a tripod. Well, here it is plugged in, and as you can see, it's off right now. The first color we get is red, as you can see. Sorry, that's my son. Second color is green. I want to see if we can get a better detail on the dragon. Third color is blue, then yellow, then like an aqua blue sort of type, and then purple and white, and after that, that's it. Off again. Not bad for the settings. It said it pulses. I still can't figure out how to do that. I'll definitely have to bring you guys an update if I figure out how to do that. But other than that, I am very satisfied with this keyboard. The texture is phenomenal, and we'll see how it does with gaming. But thank you guys for watching, and tune in until next time.